Hi everyone, this is Meena Vijay Painse and let's see what the month of July 2021 has in store for the sun sign Cancer. For Cancerians, this month is going to feel a little bit strange and a little bit odd as well. You see, this is because there's going to be a lot of activity in your mind. Sometimes we have those phases in our lives where a lot of things just happen in our mind on the piece of paper, but then the execution practically and even in its physical sense takes a lot of time. This kind of creates a conflict between the mind and the body. So month of July is in a way a kind of a little bit of a conflicted month for the Cancerians. On the career front, you might actually realize now for people who are already into some kind of a job and are working with any kind of a company or they are basically office going people, you will realize that the current organization is simply not working for you. Now you've been thinking about it since quite some long time, but probably July is the best time to put those thoughts into action. Also, for people who are self-independent and having their own businesses, you might realize that the business that you've been into since quite some time then was successful, but of late it has not been giving you the results that you've desired. So you might actually contemplate on whether or not to continue this business. So the cards tell you that reconsider this decision and check all the pros and cons, because there's a very huge possibility that the profession or the business or the kind of work that you were doing up till now is eventually now not going to work for you, though you have quite a lot of time to actually think about it, because yes, changing your profession or your current business is a very big decision. But somewhere in the month of July you will realize that your current profession now no longer, it doesn't make you interested anymore. There's a lack of interest, there's a lack of kind of prosperity in the business that you're doing currently, and now this is July is the time where you start thinking about it seriously. So yes, again, it is a time for changes, it is the time for going into new directions, understanding new avenues, or at least keeping yourself open for the options, or even the basic thought that what I am doing currently is probably not working for me. So it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to change your entire profession, but let's say maybe the company in which you're working is not providing you the kind of the right playground. Probably you need to change your company. Probably you don't really need to change your entire profession, but you might also need a lot of tweaking and twisting in order to make it more sustainable. So yes, a lot of changes are definitely required in your professional space, and July is the month that you should really give it a lot of thought. When it comes to the matters of finances are average. They are definitely not bad, and you will see to it that you are able to handle your finances very well. Your investments that you have made are definitely going to help you for the month of July 2021. Though finances are not worrisome and you are going to be able to handle them well, July warns you of making a unnecessary expense if it is not a priority. See to it that you spend only and if it is really necessary. Moving on to the space of relationships. Now, this is an area where if you find that particularly in the month of July there is a lot of argument happening, there is a lot of lack of communication happening, and sometimes the atmosphere in the house is very cold. The only way you can actually take care of the situation and smoothen out the crease lines is communicate. You might actually find that the other person, or let's say any family member of yours has gone cold, has gone distant and aloof, and does not wish to engage in a conversation, in this case the cards advise you to actually make the first move, make the first step, and take a little step towards making things better by communicating your feelings and trying to understand what the other person feels about the situation as well. However, apart from taking this step of communicating with the other person, the cards also warn you of being very careful as to how you communicate. See to it that your communication is a very gentle, polite one and not laced with sarcasm. There are chances that in your pursuit of communication, you might actually land up hurting the other person. So be very mindful when it comes to communicating with the other person. In matters of health, yes, this is a very important month for the Cancerians. For this particular month, if there is any sign that your body is trying to tell you that it is not feeling well, please see to it that you immediately consult a doctor and get a test done. So, for women, especially if your menstrual cycle or your periods are not on time, if they are painful, or if you're experiencing any kind of an irregularity in your health, please see to it that you immediately visit your doctor and do not postpone the doctor visit. Also, another caution to the Cancerians for the month of July 2020 is watch out your weight. For this month, all of a sudden you might feel a little bit sluggish. You might not want to actually engage in any kind of a physical activity, but just like rest it out, because this month is also a month for a lot of mental activities. So that might feel you leaving a little bit drained and not wanting to, really walk around, move around, and you might just feel like sleeping and not getting engaged in the usual physical activities that you do. So see to it that a little bit of exercise every day, even for a limited period of time, is compulsory, or else there are chances you might actually put on weight for the month of July 2021. So this is all for the Cancerians for the month of July 2021. I wish you a very, very beautiful and a happy July 2021 ahead.